Securing your inaugural client in the realm of copywriting is within reach, and I'm here to outline a comprehensive strategy to make it happen. To kick things off, begin by curating a portfolio that showcases your top-notch copywriting samples. If you're starting from scratch without professional pieces, consider crafting mock-ups or generating content for fictional companies to demonstrate your prowess. Next, establish a professional online presence through a website or blog where potential clients can delve into your offerings and learn more about your expertise. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to emphasize your copywriting skills and experience, making it a magnet for prospective clients scouting talent in the field. Engage with industry events, whether virtual or in person, to forge connections with potential clients and fellow professionals. Join relevant forums and groups where entrepreneurs congregate to discuss their needs, positioning yourself as a knowledgeable resource. Demonstrate your authority by hosting complimentary workshops or webinars on copywriting, showcasing your expertise while fostering connections with potential clients. Diversify your outreach by creating profiles on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, leveraging these platforms as launchpads for client acquisition and reputation building. Identify businesses or individuals who could benefit from your copywriting services and craft personalized cold emails highlighting how your offerings can address their specific needs. Tap into your local community by approaching nearby businesses at local events or through business directories, extending your copywriting expertise to those in your vicinity. Harness the power of social media to amplify your work and engage with potential clients. Produce valuable content centered around copywriting and distribute it across platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. Collaborate with other freelancers, such as graphic designers or web developers, whose projects may necessitate copywriting services, thereby expanding your network and potential client base. By following these steps, you'll pave a clear path towards securing your